Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha Lave, and today, as promised, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the fur safely off of your boots as well as clean your fur. So basically, I'm just taking my scissors and I'm just going around all my stitches and I'm just clipping it with my scissors. So this is very easy. All you need to do is pull and just see where you have any thread and just snip it. So when going around the edges, it may be a little hard to start off, but as long as you pull the fur like I'm doing now and just snipping it with my scissors, you'll be okay. Just make sure you don't snip your boots because you will create a hole. And that's exactly why I recommend doing the sewing method on the boot when you're doing your fur boots, because your boots will not get destroyed and you can reuse these boots and change the fur out if you want different colors, or even if you just want to wear your boots the way you purchased them. So my fur has gotten a little dirty, and that's why we're going to wash them today, because I have been wearing these boots outside and to work, and they got a little messy. So now I'm just going to take out the excess thread that is stuck in my boots, and as you can see, my boots are not damaged, and I really could wear them like this if I would like. So you guys asked how I clean my boots and how I clean my fur, and I'm going to show you guys just that. I do use shampoo from Pantene, also their conditioner, and I put this in water and I stir everything around to make sure everything is mixed together, and then I insert my fur. Now I do this because I basically treat this fur like it's hair, because I want my fur to get clean and also stay soft and nice. So the shampoo is basically just to clean the fur like you're cleaning your hair, and I put the conditioner in it to make it stay soft. Now you can use different types of soaps, but I wouldn't recommend using soaps with color, because this fur is white and it's easily to dye, so you don't want to risk getting stains on your fur. Now I do this, and every time it works, it cleans my fur, and also it comes out smelling good, and actually it be soft. So this is what I do, and you guys wanted to see it, so here you are. So I let this fur sit in the water for no longer than 5 minutes. I just let it sit in there. After I do that, I'm just gonna rinse it dry. Well, what am I talking about? I'm gonna rinse the products off. So I'm gonna rinse everything off, and you want to make sure after you get finished rinsing everything off, you go through and you comb your fur, because if you just let this dry without combing the fur out, it will dry matte, and once you comb the fur out, you will have a lot more shedding than you would with combing it out. So here you see me just combing it out, And it's not very hard to comb because it is wet and it just got washed and conditioned. And this way I'm not gonna have a lot of shedding. It's literally gonna be minimum shedding, and that's why I love this technique, because we ain't making a mess, period. Now that our fur is dry, it is cute, pretty, and plush. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anything that you want to see me do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn that post notification bell on so that you can get notified once I upload new videos. Stay tuned for what I have coming next with these boots. I will be dyeing them, as well as doing a video on me gluing these boots together. If you have not seen my sewing tutorial for these boots, I will have it listed down below in the description box. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. And nobody's waiting on me.